Air dribbling in Rocket League is a skill that allows players to maintain control of the ball while airborne, giving them more flexibility to move and create scoring opportunities. To begin, approach the ball with a solid takeoff using your car's boost, aiming to hit the ball slightly below its center. This is going to help you gain the necessary lift and control to start the rise into the air. So once you're airborne, you're going to use small adjustments with your car's movement to keep the ball close. The key is to keep your car angled towards the ball, making slight taps with the nose or sides to prevent it from bouncing away or losing control. Boost management is crucial here. Use short bursts to keep the ball in the air, but don't waste it all at once. Instead, use your boost for controlled adjustments to position yourself under the ball. As you continue, try to lead the ball towards your target by anticipating its trajectory. Keep your car's nose pointed in the direction of the ball while adjusting your car's positioning to stay in sync with its movement. So once you're close to the goal, you can either take a shot or pass it off to a teammate, so depending on your positioning and the situation. Mastering air dribble requires practice, timing, and a good boost management.